Hello everyone and please welcome to Expert C++ Programming, and today we are going to learn about operators. So in previous two videos of operators we have learned about arithmetic operators and relational operators, and in this part 3 we are going to learn about logical operators. So what is logical operators? So we want to check some conditions logically. Suppose if I put AND, then both conditions should be true, and if I put OR, then only one of the conditions should be true. Okay, so let's consider some gates. Probably you know about some gates like in digital electronics. So suppose there are AND gates, suppose OR gates. You have multiple inputs. Generally there are two inputs, but there are so many gates available in market, and not only just two inputs, some three inputs, four inputs, and all. Okay, suppose we have a three input gate A, B and C. So let us consider that value should be 0 or 1. Okay, so I'm not going to put so many conditions here, just going to make it a little bit simple. Okay, so suppose A is equals to 0, B is equals to 0, and okay, why not we okay, just make it simple. I'm going to take all the values 0. So if I want to make an OR gate, so if what happens here, if small a is equals 0 and okay, I should put and B is equals 0 and C is equals 0. If this all three inputs are 0, then output of OR gate is 0. So if this comes true, then print output of OR gate is 0. Okay, so I'm going to save it, and I'm going to compile and run. Let's see what happens. Okay, so output of OR gate is 0 because all the inputs are 0. So output of OR gate is 0. Okay, let's take C is equals to 1. So if we take C is equals to 1, then output will not be 0. So output will be 1. So actually nothing will be printed. We have not so many printf functions here. You can see this line is just ignored because the condition is false, because C is not equals to 0, C is 1. So whenever we use AND, then all the conditions should be true for a true answer, else they will go for else part, or they will just skip the if part. Okay, if I put OR here instead of AND, then let's see what happens. Okay, so this prints this line, but actually forget what is written over here, because this line is printed, so condition is true. So actually this is false, but this both comes true. So any one of either this or this comes true, then the output will be 1. So condition will be true, and this line will be printed. So this is the concept of logical operators. There are only two logical operators, nothing much in this topic, and not so many questions here. I hope you understand everything whatever we have learned today, and see you again in the next video. If you have any difficulties, or if you found any wrong here, then you can comment below. Let me know if you do. Okay, thank you very much.